Please show me Tesla. That stock was down 12% yesterday after Elon Musk, warned of a production slowdown in 24. Minor leagues bounce today. Former Tesla board member Steve Wesley is with me now. Steve, I want to talk about the Chinese EV maker BYD. They just became the top car brand in China. Are they going to dominate Tesla in 2024? Is this year their year, BYD?
Well, it could well be. And again, the big picture here, Tesla has just posted a dramatic $25 billion quarter, the biggest in their history, $97 billion for the year. They sold 1.8 million cars, and they have an astonishing 50% control of the American marketplace, more than all other EV sellers combined. But as you point out, Tesla's growth has slowed, 71% in 2021, 51% in 22. This last year, down to 19%. At the same time, BYD's come up like a rocket, selling 70% growth. They did 1.6 million vehicles next year. They're clearly going to pass Tesla this year. So the big smackdown is BYD going to be able to successfully break into the American marketplace where they sell no cars today? They've already launched in Europe. You've got to ask yourself, do Americans and Europeans want to buy a Chinese-made car? I think with the IoT devices in cars today, that's going to be a big push. Yeah. We'll see.
But BYD, their cars are much cheaper than Tesla's, aren't they?
Well, it's exactly right. There's an interesting dynamic here because the average Tesla car is roughly twice the price of BYD's. But BYD is taking that mid-market, low market, from 15,000 to 30,000. They're growing rapidly, not just in China, but starting to move in Southeast Asia, throughout South America, and Mexico. But Tesla has got to do something to ramp up its revenues. And I think the $25,000 car that Tesla's been talking about for some time has to be front and center. Musk said yesterday he will get that out by late 25. He has to execute on that. If he does, it will ramp up sales in US, Europe, and allow them to enter new markets. Elon's already said they may put their next manufacturing plant in India. But this is the smackdown for global EV dominance. It is BYD versus Tesla right now, and it could go either way. It's going to be an interesting one to track. Investors need to pay attention.
That is fascinating. Look, Steve, thanks for joining us this morning. I know you were a former board member at Tesla. Next time we have you on, I want to talk about Elon Musk and his behavior and see if that interferes with the running of his companies. We'll have to wait that for another time, though, Steve, and we'll have you back soon, I promise. Thank you very much, Steve.
Great. Thank you so much.